Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and I see a story in Instagram that one of the clients switched her clients from the Handweft to the Genius Weft, and they say they will never look back. And also a lot of clients ever talk with me says that, oh, I tried Genius Weft and from now on I want everything in Genius Weft. So why Genius Weft is so much better than the Handweft, or you can see that why it is more popular right now compared with Handweft. And today's video, let's compare these two products. And this is the Handtied Weft. It is usually like you have 6 small bundles with 100 grams, so you will have this big bundle with small 6 bundles of hair extension. This is our hair extensions, 22 inches natural color Handweft, and you can see that why it is popular, because the best of it is it has such a lightweight weft compared with the machine weft. So that is why it is so popular. But the short side of this product is also very big, because this product is very expensive in terms of the expense, and also has return hair same as the machine weft. So this is popular for some times, and until this come to the market, and this is called machine weft, and this is hand-tied weft. So you can tell from the name that this one is actually by hand tied, so that is why it is so expensive in terms of the cost, right? Because it hand tied, it takes times for the workers to make it. And this is Genius Weft. It is also called second generation hand-tied weft, but it is actually made from the machine. So to compare with these two, you can see that they both are so lightweight and very tiny weft, and so lightweight compared with the machine weft, because if you install machine weft, you will have a bulky hair head here you might have, right? And this tool will resolve this problem, right? So what is the advantage of the Genius Weft on top of the hand-tied weft? First is very important, like what my clients think, that this one does not have what? Does not have the short hair. You can see this hand-tied weft, it has return hair. So it means that if you have a very sensitive scalp, when you try to, touch your hair, it possibly itching your scalp, possibly, right? If you are very sensitive scalp. But Genius Weft, you don't have this problem. It does not have any return hair. So this is one of the very big advantage over the hand-tied weft. And secondly, hand-tied weft, you can see that it is made of 6 small bundles. Why is that? Because this one cannot cut. If you cut from the middle, it will unravel. The whole small bundle will ruin. So in terms of the longevity, this one is not so well, honestly. But Genius Weft, usually it is made of the machine, and you can cut anywhere between the weft, and the weft will be still used. You can cut into many pieces. So this is a second advantage over the hand-tied weft. So these two things make hand weft very popular. And in terms of the cost, the Genius Weft also more cheaper compared with the hand weft. So in terms of everything, this is have a very big advantage compared with the hand weft. So that is why it become more and more popular, and I see that this genius weft is the future for the weft extension. So compared with machine weft, hand-tied weft, this one is so much more advantage and advanced. So that is why genius weft is so much popular, and a lot of clients, they are switching from the hand-tied weft to the genius weft. So if you are looking for a killer product which can be very good for the clients, for your clients, and popular, and you should try this genius weft. Now we have a lot of stock for the genius weft, no matter for the colors, lengthage, and we have a lot of stock for the genius weft, and it is so much popular. So if you want genius weft, feel free, contact us and place your order, and we can make it in premium raw hair, and which can last you for a very long time, like 5 years, 10 years. And we also have more cheaper, affordable Remy hair extension genius weft. So if you want genius weft, or if you still want hand-tied weft, you can always go to us, and we supply all type of hair extensions at the best price, and we have a large stock. We supply to all the salons with very immediate shipping. We support your salon business, and if you buy for personal use, of course we can also do that with a good price. So thank you for watching today's video. Hopefully this video can help you. Have a good day.